Welcome everyone. The question is says that what is thermonuclear fusion? And that question came in the set 3 CBSE 2025 physics question paper. What is thermonuclear fusion? Actually, fusion occurs when two light nuclei, or more than two light nuclei, light plus light, okay, at a very high temperature converted into the heavy nuclei, okay, heavy nuclei. So basically this is the origin of the source of energy of the solar system and many of the galaxies, okay. Basically the hydrogens are basically born at a very high temperature of 10 to the power 5 or 10 to 10 to the power 7 Kelvin temperature, and under this temperature is very important. In this temperature around 10 to the power 5 Kelvin temperature, at such a high temperature, the light nuclei are fused, and light nuclei thus form the heavy nuclei, okay. Light nuclei form the heavy nuclei. So thermonuclear fusion only occurs in sun or the celestial bodies which are having that such a high temperature. So obviously here in earth it is not possible. So for that purpose, if we want to raise that much level temperature, then what we have to do? Then we have to do 2 or 3 nuclear fusions, and nuclear fusions can generate that such a high temperature, and at that temperature this kind of light nuclei merges and from the heavy nuclei, because all of this thing is maintaining this Bethe-Weizsäcker formula, that is the binding energy EV by A, binding energy per nucleon, and that is the mass number. It increases like this, okay, and after that it decreases. So which are the light nuclei that resides here in this region, okay, which resides here, and it is maximum, that is for the iron, and after it is decreases again, okay. So this is the format. So light nuclei merges and forms the try to become the nuclei of the iron, and the heavy nuclei which are here lies here, basically there basically breaks the splits into fragments, so that there after these fragments is of the very close to that of the iron, okay. So thermonuclear fusion is the light nuclei which are at this range, that are basically merges with each other, 2 or 3 or more than 2 or 3, just and becomes a heavy one, okay, and try to become stable nuclei, okay, of greater binding energy per nucleon. So that is basically the reason or the origin of thermonuclear fusion. They want the nuclear stability, okay. Next question is, calculate the energy released in mega electron volt in the fusion reaction given below. 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium merges with each other at a high temperature obviously, and becomes a helium, 2He4 and 1 neutron. So here this deuterium and this tritium, it is basically nothing but the reactants, and the products are the helium and the neutron. So if I want to calculate what is the change in mass, okay, what is the change in mass, what is the disappearance in mass, then we have to just add the mass of the reactants and the mass of the products that we need to subtract. For that purpose, del M, that is the disappearance in mass of the reactants, I am writing down the mass of 1H2 which is a deuterium isotope, that is 21H, plus the mass of, I am writing down like this way, 31H, okay, these are the mass of the reactants minus the mass of the products. Actually we are calculating the difference here. Mass of the helium, that is 42He, plus the mass of the neutron, okay. So the values are such a big numbers are there, okay. but you have to deal with that. 2.014, I am telling you, you also do with me, that if there is any problem such that you will not face it, at least the problem in calculation. Okay, so that is 3.016 minus helium, so that is 4.0020603 mass of neutron, so that is 1.0086665. obviously that is in U means atomic mass unit. All the things are measured in U, atomic mass unit. Okay, so 2.01402. okay, 3.01649. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 in my hand, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so 0.5, so 5.030151, 5.03051, I think it is correct. The next thing is 4.0020603, 1.0086665. if I add these two, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 6 no 6 6 12, 6 6 12, 6 6 12, it is 2, 8 plus 2 is 1, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 105. so 5.0111268. if we subtract this, so it will be 5.030,151. here it is 5.0111268. if we subtract this, 8, it is 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 to 15, so it is 8. okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 11, so it is 8. okay, 1 1 2, so again 8, 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, so I am just repeating this thing again. 8 plus 3 is 11, 8 plus 6 is 14, 115, 8 15, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11, 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 10, so it is 2.8838 after the 3, so 0 point, it is 0.0028883. there is only one problem, is that such dealing with such a numbers, if there is any calculation mistake or not, that you need to check it out here, nothing else. so binding energy, obviously E equal to mc square is here, equal to mc square, sorry, not binding energy, it is the energy which is comes out, energy released, so that is a daily equal to del m, disappearance in mass, some mass is disappeared and converted into energy, so c square. so here one thing is used, there 1 u equal to 930, so del m equal to 0.0288883 u can be written as 930 mega electron volt. obviously I think you have understood that c square and c square cancels out here, so this is the thing we have to multiply. okay, so I am doing here, that is 28883, that should be multiplied by 93, so 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 8 3 is 24, 24 2, 8 24 to 6, 24 to 6, 2 in my hand, 3 2 just 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, 9 3 is 81, 8 in my hand, 8 9 is 72. 1 minute, 9 3 is 81, 8 in my hand, 9 8 9 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. Again 8, 72 8, 72 8. So 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8 is 26. 26. So this will become 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, it is 6, 6, 8, 2, 6. Okay, now let us deal with the decimal points here. Decimal points. So it is, if it is multiplied by 930, 1 0 will be there. Okay, 1 0 will be there, and if there is 0 point, if it is 0.0, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 5 4 6, so 1 2 3 4 5 5 6, so it is 26.86, it is 26.86 6590. So such a mega electron volt energy is released in this process. Okay, thank you all of you, but I want to tell you this, please check the calculations. After understanding the concept, there is only one problem may occur, that is the calculation mistake, and if you little bit cautious about it, check minute things, then obviously you will get the full marks in this problem. Thank you all of you.